Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is definitely a special one. Finally, the day had arrived. A long wait of 1 year had come to an end and we were all set to ride on one of the world's highest motorable pass, Khardung. It is one of the highest mountain passes in the Union Territory of Ladakh. We started from Leh around 9 am. Khardung is about 40 kilometers from Leh city and is at a height of 18,380 feet from the sea level. It is not the distance that matters, but the difference in altitude. It is a steep climb of 7,000 feet from Leh to the top. The pass is the gateway to Shyok and Nubra valleys and is strategically important to India as it is used to carry supplies to Siachen Glacier. The roads are well laid for the first 25 kilometers till South Pulu checkpost. But the condition from here on is pretty bad. It's just the mountain road. Mostly loose gravel, stones, water crossings and slush. My first time experiencing the snow. Had to stop for a snowball. The road progressively deteriorates. There are sheer drops along the entire route and enough hairpin bends to make one dizzy. As the climb gets more serious, the air gets noticeably thinner and the temperature drops. Khardung has a well-deserved reputation for being dangerous because of unpredictable weather conditions. Avalanche, heavy snowfall, and landslides can occur anytime. The weather is highly unstable and can change surprisingly fast, leaving you stranded for hours or even days. Riding under such conditions makes it extremely challenging. It tests one's physical and mental strength. But the pure air, picturesque view and the thrill of traveling to one of the world's highest passes makes all these difficulties melt away. best part about Khardung is the entire journey is nothing less than sightseeing. Every nook and corner is absolutely stunning. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. We made it to the highest point. All the groundwork we did, the pain that we took to reach the top, gave us the bragging rights. Everything was worth it, something to cherish and treasure for a lifetime. After a quick photo session, we continued our journey towards Nubra Valley. Standing at the top of the pass or driving up the mountain, these are the experiences that are not forgotten easily. They definitely imprint themselves on our mind and memory long after we left them far behind. The mountain passes in Ladakh are not just passes, they are a part of the cultural and historical character of the region. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, goodbye.